Today I'm going to talk about one of Mexico's most iconic snack cakes, Gansito, made by Barinella, a division of Grupo Bimbo. Gansito is a small sponge cake filled with strawberry jelly and sweet cream covered with chocolate. It's a nostalgic product that has been loved in Mexico since 1957 because of its popularity and strong emotional value. It's now expanding internationally, especially to the United States. The US market is ideal for this export because it has more than 63 million Hispanic customers who already know and love the product, but it also gaining attention from American customers who enjoy trying international snacks. In fact, the Latin snack segment in the US has been growing around 12% every year, and Gansito stand out for its authentic flavor and cultural identity. Exporting this product involves several costs from packaging and customs clearance to transportation and insurance, with an estimated total of around 3,100 US dollars for a shipment of 300 boxes, which equals 3,600 snacks cakes. Thanks to the USMCA trade agreement, Gansito can enter the US market tariff-free, which makes the operation more profitable.
My name is Aymar and I'm going to explain about the mode of transportation and how we work with this in this project. Well, for the export of Gansito Marinela from Mexico to Japan, the most efficient transportation method is a combined land and maritime route. Well, in this project we worked and we came to a conclusion that the product will travel by refrigerated truck from Monterrey to the port of Manzanillo and then by reefer container ship to Yokohama, Japan. This route keeps the temperature between 2 degrees and 6 degrees, preserving the quality and freshness of the product during the 2022-day transit. We choose maritime transport because it offers much lower cost and higher capacity compared to air freight. Obviously, it's cheaper than the air freight and will also produce less CO2 emissions and complying with Japan's strict food safety standards. And now, talking about the transportation cost calculation, the total transportation cost was divided in two main parts, the domestic and the international. The domestic leg from Monterrey to Manzanillo costs about $1,650, including trucking, loading, and cold storage. And for the international leg from Manzanillo to Yokohama costs about $3,670, including freight, port fees, and also the insurance. Together, the total logistics cost is approximately $5,320 or $1.77 per gansito. This cost structure ensures profitability and efficiency while maintaining cold chain integrity.
To export food products to Japan, the label must be written in Japanese and include key information such as the product name, list of ingredients, including allergens, expiration or best before date storage instructions, country of origin, and the name and address of the manufacturer or importer in Japan. The external packaging must clearly show contents, quantity, net, and gross weight, country of origin, loading and unloading ports, and consignee address. The packaging must also be strong enough to withstand transportation, handling, and weather conditions, and must not use prohibited materials such as straw or untreated plant matter that could be subject to warranty. Complying with these requirements is essential because Japan has one of the most rigorous food safety and quality control systems in the world. Japanese labeling ensures that customers clearly understand the product they are buying, while proper packaging protects it International Transportation. The required certifications and laboratory analysis demonstrate that the product is safe and high quality, building trust with Japanese customers and preventing shipment rejection or fines. Following these regulations is not only a legal obligation but also a strategic advantage. It helps position Mexican products as reliable, safe, and premium quality items in one of most demanding markets in the world.
Purchase order. A formal purchase order was created between Grupo Bimbo and Tokyo Sweets Trading Co. The order specifies 300 boxes of Gansito, each with 12 units, for a total of 3,600 pieces. The unit price is $12 per box, giving a total of $3,600. Shipment will be made in a 20-foot refrigerated container, and the delivery date is set for December 15, 2025. In advance and 50% coupon presentation of shipping documents. These documents formalizes the trade agreement and provides all necessary commercial details for customs and logistics. Incoterm form. The chosen Incoterm is CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, according to Incoterms 2020. Under this term, Grupo Bimbo, the seller, is responsible for freight, insurance, and export customs clearance up to Yokohama Port. Meanwhile, the buyer, Tokyo Sweet Trading Co., is responsible for import, clearance, duties, and inland transport within Japan. CIF was selected because it provides cost transparency and product safety, allowing Bimbo to control the cold chain and insurance the cargo arrives in perfect condition.